Welcome to Sly Park Retreat, a legacy property featuring 3 separate homes, mature timber, and a peaceful hilltop setting that captures the true feel of Sierra foothill living. Set in the timbered hills of Pollock Pines, this is a rare opportunity to own more than 57 acres of private Northern California mountain ground in the heart of Dorado County. As you move through the property, towering pines, cedars, and oaks dominate the rolling terrain, creating a landscape that feels both secluded and incredibly usable. Internal roads and natural clearings open the door for recreation, gathering spaces, equipment access, or simply enjoying the land as your own private retreat. The 3 residences are thoughtfully spread across the acreage, offering flexibility for multi-generational living, guest accommodations, caretaker housing, or rental income potential. The R3A zoning provides opportunities for further residential development. Properties with this combination of acreage, privacy, and multiple homes are increasingly difficult to find in today's market. Beyond the gates, the region offers year-round recreation in every direction. Spend your summers boating and fishing at nearby Jenkinson Lake, exploring the vast backcountry of Dorado National Forest. Hiking, hunting, horseback riding, and off-road adventure are all within easy reach. In the winter months, head east toward Sierra Tahoe Resort and the beauty of Lake Tahoe for skiing, snowboarding, and alpine recreation. Located just over an hour from Sacramento and accessible year-round via Highway 50, this property strikes a rare balance between privacy and convenience. Whether you're looking for a mountain family compound, an income-producing investment, or a long-term legacy holding, Sly Park Retreat delivers the space, setting, and versatility to make it your own. To schedule a private tour, contact Rich Johnson or Kevin Brunk, or visit us at HaydenOutdoors.com.